Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will unbox and set up the IC-6810KA. The IC-6810KA is a shock and water resistant pH, MV and temperature meter. The meter has auto pH buffer recognition and can be calibrated to 2 or 3 pH points. Included in the kit is a soft pouch for easy transportation, the meter with an included shock-proof boot, the electrode with a screw-on cap and storage solution, a pH electrode instruction manual, meter operation manual, 4 AAA batteries, as well as 3 handy containers to store your pH 4, pH 7 and distilled water when calibrating. Setup is easy, simply to remove the shock-proof boot and use a small screwdriver to remove the rear battery cavity cover. Insert the 4 included AAA batteries and replace the cover. When replacing the case, simply line up the small triangle to the small circle and screw into place. The included electrode has 2 plugs that marry up on the top of the meter. The grey plug is attached by simply pressing in and screwing the external housing into place. To insert the black plug, remove the rubber cap, line up the pins and press into place. Don't force it, if it's not lined up correctly you risk bending the pins. The device is now set up and ready for use. See the link in the description for a video of one of the instrument choice scientists demonstrating how to calibrate the IC-6810KA. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.